Meaning of herder.
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 Herder. Herder refers to a person who has the responsibility of tending to and caring for a group of livestock, such as sheep or cattle. This includes tasks such as grazing, feeding, and protecting the animals from predators or other dangers. The term herder can also be used more broadly to refer to someone who guides or directs others in a group or organization. Overall, being a herder requires patience, dedication, and a deep understanding of the needs and behaviors of the animals under their care.